Shizzle.
Shizzle, man, nizzle.
Yeah, man.
Scooby!
Shizzle. You know he's one elephant, man. Yo, big up all viewers, all subscribers. Welcome back to Rap and Chat, you see me? With checks done, and you don't know.
Now step on the ends. Shizzle, man, nizzle.
Shizzle.
Kapizzle.
Shizzle.
Images, everything.
Thirst is nothing.
Thirst is nothing.
You see me?
Yeah, dog.
Right now, dog, Elephant Man have the airwave pan a piece of
Dog.
frenzy.
Yeah, dog. Good comeback.
Shizzle.
Good comeback. Yo, me need some whole heap of gold. I need some color
You
here.
need the bling, the teeth.
And the bling, the bling. You see me?
So yo,
Shizzle.
Yo, what you think about Elephant Man as an entertainer, as an artist?
For me, a little boy, I mean, I got hide way and got dance. You see me? Elephant Man, I want a man where dog bring the energy to dancehall to a different level.
Yeah, everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, me answer, dog. Yo, the man the dog know how to perform. The man they know how to hold the crowd, to entertain. You see me? Brother, the man they know every single aspect in a dancehall, master the genre. You see me?
Elephant Man, to me, Elephant Man is I best copycat you gonna find.
What do you mean by copycat?
Elephant Man a copycat, bro.
I don't know. You are telling me, you know what you mean?
Elephant Man is a performer, you know. But Elephant Man I best copycat you gonna find.
So who him copy?
Elephant Man copy everything and everybody. But you ever hear them say steal like an artist?
No,
You never hear that term there?
never hear that.
The Elephant Man that.
But me feel like Elephant Man come up with most. One of the artists will come up with
Tell
whole
me
heap of
one slang. Tell me one slang.
Shizzle, man, nizzle, kapizzle,
Yo.
Zane, hold on.
Shizzle. You see that term there? Shizzle. Come from one youth when named Shizzle Sherlock, who is a dancer. Shizzle Sherlock is a youth where been a dancer back in the days and he named Shizzle. I saw him name. And I saw Elephant Man come.
Scooby! Who said that?
Elephant Man says Scooby, yes.
Scooby!
But watch this now.
He have whole heap more slang, man.
No, but that is not even it. Most of Elephant Man it songs them. Somebody else sang them. Him have original song, you know, but me I tell you say Elephant Man the biggest copycat in a dancehall. Me rate him, you know. Me rate him because guess what? You see, you as an artist, you as an entertainer, let me tell you this. You see, if you make it in a social media world, there is no content out there where it's not have been done yet. People out there do it already.
Alright.
But guess what? I'm a man who come and take it and do it the best.
Alright, but hold on now.
You get me, I say?
Okay, cool. But before social media, you know.
Yeah.
Before internet, before Facebook, before Instagram, TikTok and all of them things, Elephant Man a mash up cassette, you know that. And it couldn't spread via social media or internet them time there. You see me?
Yes, sir.
So when record a drop, cassette a play, me a buy Elephant Man pan cassette and a clash my cousin who live up top side my yard.
Watch this now.
Hold on now. Before you go any further, as I say, him a copycat.
He is.
Right? But as far as to me know, I one of the most talented, diverse artists. Plus, I one of the artists we work with the most hip-hop artists out of Jamaica.
Yeah.
Master dancehall and successful.
True.
And master the genre with hip-hop, the collaboration and be successful as well.
Watch this. Elephant Man are one of the only dancehall artists me know. Michael Jackson recognize. You didn't know that?
Oh, you mean so you know the song with Janet Jackson?
No, me
You
just
don't know a song where you sing? Remix, Shake It. You don't know a song when you do with Janet Jackson?
Me know a song, but
Or
me never buy it.
remix. What you mean,
Me never
dog?
buy it.
Big hit, man.
You see me?
Big
But
hit.
me just show you say, listen, when me I say, you know, me not say nothing bad about Elephant Man say him a copycat, you know. Me just show you say he's a man who know how to take things and make it into something bigger.
Oh.
If you get what me I say.
Yeah, no,
The
me
man
understand.
is a man where a man with ear sitting, bro, and the man does make it better.
Mm-hmm.
You get me I say?
Elevated.
So, the term steal like an artist, that is what I hate him a do. Him take something and he make it in a film thing.
Put a spin on it.
You see me? So right now, Pretty Baby are the thing. Pretty Baby are the talk of the town.
For real.
Pretty baby.
And then again, what the next thing? What the next thing we have to highlight about Elephant Man, dog? Because one of the next dancehall artists we have the most pitney
Yeah, man.
in a Jamaica, you know, dog. The man they about 25, 26.
What if I pick
Pitney,
me
you know,
up, man?
dog.
And
You remember
counting.
the, yeah. You remember Ellie Chunk when he come out and I say, oh, you remember that thing there? Him son, man, and him Ellie Chunk.
We don't know him.
Dog, Ellie Chunk come out and say, I'm going to turn artist and prove Elephant Man wrong. Elephant Man say, shizzle man, nizzle, capizzle, and he come out and he, you know, say all kind of things about the youth.
Jaja.
But dog,
And son?
yeah man, I'm son. You hear a man named dog Ellie Chunk. But dog.
But yo, if you look on it, Elephant Man know how to survive. Elephant Man know how to stay relevant. Elephant Man a big man in the dog.
Over 2 decades now, man I do music.
And watch this. Remember say Elephant Man used to in a one crew, you know. Scare them crew, you know.
Yeah man.
Where is a scare them man them there? Where Ghost there? Where Harry Toddler there?
Look on that.
Where all of them the man there?
So you see, say, no, easy if you stay relevant in a dance hall.
Him know how to stay relevant.
Imagine back in the days, go to one dance hall, and you know, you hear one Elephant Man play.
Listen now.
You see, when an Elephant Man drop down,
On the river,
on
on the bank.
you see me? No linger.
He always come
Dog.
some dancing song.
The only man when me see did come next to Elephant Man when it comes to dancing song. Who?
Ding dong.
Ding Dong.
Yeah.
That are the only man, you see me,
Ding dong.
ever walk close to Elephant Man when it comes to dancing tune. But Elephant Man, dog, signal the plane. Right now you got a dancer like here, signal the plane. Every man has signal
A
the plane.
worldwide song, man.
Worldwide.
A worldwide
You see
song.
me? If you go and you hear the song when him sing with Eastside Boys and Little John.
Yeah. That song that one, hey.
Dog.
That song that one tough song,
you
you know,
need,
dog.
dog. When I tell you, man,
Tough,
you-
tough song that, man.
Dog, them song they make you move.
He always a find it, dog. He
Them man
always
they
a
ever
find it.
dog. I'm
But,
rating,
but
dog.
right now, you know, no five people them are going like they want to laugh at the man, you know, but dog, the man find it. The
Yeah,
man,
Man, come back.
dog, the man make a comeback, but you know say, with all the war going, a cartel a drive to all of them out of them hole. Some of them did find a woman and stuck in a hole and couldn't come out, you know. And I tell us if a
Bruh.
cartel touch the road, brother.
Dog.
Everybody hear be a new song.
Dog. A time.
Tell me say I me I tell.
A time.
No,
dog.
tell me say I me I tell.
A time of the master. dog.
Watch out
A
now.
time.
We not gonna talk about Evil Gage today, but Evil Gage find a new song.
Yeah.
Gage find the time to come off a TikTok.
I'm going to
I'm
the
gonna
studio.
find a class song, bro. May I tell you, the whole of man them, they are being inspired, bro.
Dog, not by cartel. They're inspired because dancehall is glowing at the moment.
Elephant Man, you find it, me G.
Dog,
Evil.
the next thing, I'm a rate about Elephant Man. The man dress code, dog.
What-
Him
what-
and Beanie Man.
Why
And I
just
will
good?
put out Beanie Man.
Why just good?
The man just code always hard, man. You to say man just code always bad. Anything when man put on from ever since dancehall. If him a go perform, you see me? The
You see
man
Elephant
look a
Man?
different way from
Elephant Man
everybody
stuck.
else.
Elephant Man stuck in the 90s with one style though. Dog, tap roll up your pants foot, brother. Tap roll up your pants foot, dog. Me tired to see it. Me don't want to see it, Elephant Man. You're up on a different level, you know, brother. You're past international level. Brother, tap roll up your pants foot, dog.
Them man they in a league with Sean Paul, Shaggy. You know what I say? As recognized
No, man,
international.
he well recognized, man.
You see me?
Yo, you have to love the fact say, yo, him stay true to in craft. He stay true to himself.
He stay, and that are the
You
next
see
thing.
me?
That's what me tell you, say, man, original.
Yeah, man.
Because over
No,
the years,
he original.
the man always stay the same way, dog. The man never switch.
Thirst is what?
Thirst is nothing.
Images, everything.
Images, everything. Yo, big up yourself, you.
Yo,
Elephant Man.
Big up Elephant Man with it. Pretty Baby. That song was a hit song back in the days, and a lot of other people cover that song. A lot of people cover that song before Elephant Man. So I think even the person who sing that song, I think them just pass away. I'm not sure. Don't hold me at it, but I think the person she just died. Like,
may I do research?
You see me?
If anything, we don't show it.
Yeah, I think she just passed on. You get me? I say, and me I tell her, say, Elephant Man did it, and out of everybody who did it before Elephant Man, to me, not because I'm a Jamaican, but he did it the best. You see me? Because right now, every girl I sing the song.
Pretty baby.
Bro, every girl wants to sit down on a wood. Every girl wants to sit down
next
on
to
a
the
wood.
Flowers.
Pretty baby. Listen, it sound bad.
You have a vibe.
It sang bad.
You have a vibe. Dad.
And then they bring it back. It beat, bring you back to the 90s or the 80s. You know who message have a style like that?
Oh.
Jada Kingdom.
Oh yeah?
Yes, Jada Kingdom have a song we carry you back to the song we say, I think all the same beat. And I see him person she get here off right now. This song we say, yeah, it sang a GPP, you see me?
Yeah,
Where
man.
it sound similar in I see him like I see him genre, I see him era.
You have the retro beat.
Like the retro, yes, this is it. You hear it a long time?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We know
dog.
that song there.
The song remind me of the Elephant Man song.
Yeah, because they have that retro.
The Elephant
retro
Man
beat to
song
it.
remind me of this song. One out whichever way you go. You see me?
Zed.
But I even think Elephant Man did make one song off of the same GPP there too, you know.
Yeah.
Me I go look for it.
I'll tell you one little thing about Elephant Man now, where probably enough people don't know. You see me? You know what I say? Elephant Man parents may want him to become a singer or a DJ.
Nobody know want him to become a DJ.
A soldier then did want the man to tell you that. You see me?
Man want tour the world, I want to.
Yeah, but as I say, sometimes you see the vision, you see your own path. You see me and say that?
So then
and
see
you follow your
artist,
dream, follow your path.
I see him thing with Cartel Daddy. Cartel Daddy would have bust in your ass.
Fino
Turn the artist. A Cartel uncle them and his mother, you know, allow him to like get for dingle in the music. His father never want that for him.
But when you think about it, you know that, more while when the artists them come big and them get recognized, you know that, I be a mother them big up in 90% of the time a mother, you know.
Because so
That's why daddy them, I say what the do now. Every time when they come like daddy no do nothing for you. I be a mother when I sing about.
But
You see me?
a real pre, you know.
I mean I tell you.
You hear a man sing about their father or big up their father.
Yeah,
certainly.
Christopher Martin do it. And
Yeah.
I think Romeo and Virgo, me not sure, but me know Christopher Martin do it.
If me have one son, he must sing about me.
Well, my boy, if he turn artist, man, fi do
Boy,
it.
yo, me I tell you, say, yo, Elephant Man are the man. Me don't know how long he must stay the man for the media, but right now, Elephant Man internet. You see me? If you not sing the song where Elephant Man have, if you not play it for your woman, if you not post it, sitting around with you.
Mad.
Right now, more want a girl come sit down on the hood. Good.
Next to the flowers.
You see me? Big up Elephant Man. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Right, that's the thing there.
Not a news.
Not a news, bro. Burna Boy. You know who's Burna Boy?
Yeah, man, the African giant.
African giant himself.
Yeah.
And people, it is so amazing, like the influence that Jamaica and Jamaican entertainers have on the world. The dog, I say, bro, him consider himself more Jamaican than Nigerian. Right.
See, me tell you now already, you know that.
Just look on that.
Me tell you now already.
For the giant African music, say him consider himself more Jamaican than Nigerian. That has something different, bro.
You see, our culture, dog, is bigger than the country.
Bigger than the country, bigger than the island.
country. You understand what I'm saying?
You see me?
It's influential. And we see that worldwide. Living here in America, dog, you see that evidently every single day.
Impact where Jamaica have on the world.
It lasts every small
different,
island.
bro.
It lasts every small island fall under Jamaica. Like Jamaica just overshadow everything.
And only for big countries overshadowed by Jamaica also.
You understand what I'm saying? Because of the culture, bro.
Back in the days, Jamaicans dominate England, Then the Africans them start come over, Even though we are Africans.
Right.
But if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Jamaican influence in England was super big, bro.
Still big.
You get me, I say?
The recent series where did come out on Netflix.
Which one?
Top Boys, man. A Jamaican influence that straight, bro.
Jamaica influenced that, and Jamaica influenced
Champion.
Yes, Champion.
Champion is
people wanna go look up the show there on Netflix.
Probably
Champion.
come off.
It did come up now, man.
Probably. No.
Supposed to still up on the man. Champion. So, when you look on it, majority of big star them where in England, them have some form of Jamaican background. You see me? And Burna Boy used to live in England. You see me? Burna Boy used to live in England, and most of the people who used to hang out with was Jamaican. You see me?
Yeah, most of them artists.
When in Nigeria, he never dep on the side where Nigerian and depend. So when he grew up, he really consider himself more Jamaican than Nigerian. So, if he come and say that, no disrespect to Nigeria, but you don't know, we influence everybody. Jamaican influence the world.
Talking about that.
You see me?
I have one co-worker that come from Africa.
Yeah.
You see me? You can't tell them man they say man a Jamaican in the dog. Anytime they see them man they see me yeah, Bamba Clark, Wagwan, Rasta man. And the man head ball,
Yeah.
And the man dog, the way all the man love. Prince, big up yourself. The man call himself Jalayan.
Bomb clat.
The man got Jamaica dog several times and say, yo dog, want to come back. Africa man come from, the man a born African. But I tell you the way our culture powerful dog.
Powerful, brother.
A lot of people get influenced by it, and a lot of people dog want to become, a part of what we have going.
Yo, you see Jamaica, bro. Jamaica one special gem.
Yeah, man, for real.
Jamaica give the world so much things. Jamaica should have richer than what it is. So, big up where me come from. Really hard, man. You see me I say? Yeah, man, right. That's the thing there.
Yo, people, hear me answer now. Give the video a thumbs up. Give it a subscribe. You see me? I really appreciate everything. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. Ladies, pretty baby. You ride it good, girl. Sit down for me, old girl. Rap and chat. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You don't know what things set. You see me? Cheer to success, my G.
Success, my G.
Yeah, man.